All right, good afternoon, traders. Today is May 21st, 2024. It's the BYOB Market Wrap Up with me, John Kerrigan. Let's take a look at some charts. Had some all-time highs, I think, today. I'm not sure. Have to take a peek. All right, so here's SPY. And did we ink out a new high? That's the question. Okay, so we inked out a new high here. That was 531.56. And today's high was 531.52. Not quite. So we just tagged it. That's all we did. All right, so there's SPY. All right, so I'm just going to say everything is in an uptrend. All right, all of the Fab 5. All right, that's IWM, small caps and mid caps. That's FNGU. That's mega large caps. That's SPY. All right, this is S&P 500. That's the QQQ. That's the NASDAQ. That's our technology. All right, and then we got Diamond Dow. That's our industrials. Okay, everything is in an uptrend. As far as the three important sectors, financials in an uptrend, transports just barely in an uptrend, all right, and then semiconductors also in an uptrend, all right, and then on top of all that, energy is in an uptrend, and precious metals are in an uptrend. Even the only thing that's not in an uptrend is the dollar, all right. Now I haven't taken a peek at it, but that's what's going on right now. So on the daily chart, all right, this is my Andrews pitchfork right here. All right, we're almost up at the top of the top tine. Probably get up there sometime tomorrow. We'll see. All right, got a little wedge playing out here for today's price action. We got a lower high and a lower low, but we closed over the bullish trap over the rising 17 EMA. I'm going to bet they all did the same thing, okay? QQQ, higher high, higher low, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. Is that a new all-time high? Yeah, it's a new all-time high for QQQ today. All right, FNGU. Now, FNGU is a ways away, but this could be a new 2-year high. Yeah, that's a new 2-year high for FNGU today. FNGU, higher low, higher high, puts in a new 2-year high, closing over the bullish trap over the rising 17 EMA. So that's our mega large caps right there. Okay, let's take a look at IWM. Maybe not so much on IWM today. Okay, so IWM, lower high, lower low, closing inside the bullish trap, still bullish, still in an uptrend. Closing over the 17 EMA. So everything's still bullish here. Actually, we closed. Right. Well, let's just see. 3 periods, 208.23. We closed 208.23. So we closed inside the trap. Okay, the trap is the 3 EMA on top of the 8 EMA. So we closed inside the bullish traps. Take a look at Diamond Dow. Diamond Dow, lower high, lower low, closing 3 EMA, 398.59, closing 398.61, closing above the bullish trap over the rising 17 EMA. Still bullish, all right? So higher low, higher high, all right? So everything, all of the Fab 5 still in uptrends, all right? Let's take a look at USO. Okay, USO in an uptrend still. Today's candle, lower high, lower low, closing underneath the bearish cross, underneath the 17 EMA, but in an uptrend. All right, because we beat out this high right here, so it's in an uptrend. All right, UNG is in an uptrend. UNG got a doji candle, got a higher, yeah, it's a higher low and a lower high, expanding volatility there. All right, closing over the bullish trap, over the rising 17 EMA. All right, UNG in an uptrend. USO in an uptrend. 5 in an uptrend. Let's take a look at silver and gold. Here's gold putting in an inside day, lower high, higher low, closing over the bullish trap, over the 17 EMA, got a higher low here and a higher high. That makes an uptrend. This is bullish. Gold is bullish. Closing over the trap, over the 17. Okay, silver, same deal. Silver got an inside day. Lower high, higher low, closing over the bullish trap, over the rising 17 EMA. Okay, so silver got a higher low here, got a higher high. Silver in an uptrend. All right, so precious metals in an uptrend. Energy market in an uptrend. All of the Fab 5 in an uptrend. All right, let's go take a look at our technicals. Technicals for today, the bears pushed us out of the buy zone. They said we were too close, and we wound up in the chop zone, making an inverse head and shoulders here. So T2122, look for a rocket ride tomorrow. All right, so you can see right here, we spent the whole day in the chop zone, and it was choppy. All right, so here's T2123, little green, red, little green, red, more green with a rally coming into the end of the day. All right, T2123 3-bar chart. Well, let's go back and look at the 15-minute chart. See that? It's like the 200 SMA. It's got like a reverse magnetic push. Okay, you turn the magnet around and it pushes. Well, it's kind of pushing price up towards those prior all-time highs right there. Okay, so we've got the reverse push going on here with the 200 SMA. On the 3-bar chart, another three green candles right here. 3 more green balls to add to our 17 EMA. You can see price action coming into the 200 SMA, getting the catch, and then bouncing off of it back towards prior all-time highs right up here. All right, so got a little higher low. Look at the if you look at T2123 3-bar on the bigger time frame. What do we got? We got a higher low. Pressure will be on the bulls to make the higher high. Okay, so we're coming up here. We're going to visit those prior all-time highs. The prior all-time highs and this year's all-time high. Good chance we do both of them. All right, so here's price action. Whole lot of space between that rising 200 SMA and the 3-bar price action. Okay, so there's that. FNGU. All right, little red. A lot of green up over VWAP. See this? The tan line, that's VWAP. All right, little pull back to VWAP and then a rally right into the close right there. So there we go with FNGU. Nice rally today. Remember I said FNGU, this is a nice looking bull flag. I said it back here on the 16th and 17th. That's a nice looking bull flag. That's what we like. And what do you got? You got the bull move. All right. So there's FNGU. Let's go back and look at SPY. All right. SPY. Let's look at it on the 2-hour chart. Okay, so I'm going to take this off so we can see the 2-hour chart. All right, so here's the 2-hour chart, and you've got the 3 EMA on top of the white, okay, 8 EMA. We are in a bullish uptrend over a rising 17 EMA. We have a bullish stack on the 2-hour chart. On the 10-minute chart, nice little rally into the close. Price action 3 on top of the 8. We have a 10-minute uptrend. All right, so marching orders for tomorrow. Okay, we got FOMC minutes at 2 p.m. But for tomorrow, green erases red entries, and we're all set. Everything is lined up to do SPY 550. If you didn't know it, you know it now. All right, because everything's banging on all 8 cylinders. Okay, you got all of the Fab 5 are in uptrends. The 3 major sectors are in uptrends. You got oil and gas in an uptrend. You got precious metals in an uptrend. The only thing that's not in an uptrend, I think even the dollar's in a quasi uptrend. But we'll take a peek at that later tomorrow. Let me see if I can dig it up. Let's see if we can dig up the dollar. And They do this to me. I hate them. It's not necessary. All right, so for the dollar, all right, the dollar is in a downtrend with a lower high here and a lower low. But if you take these lows, that's a higher low, that's a higher low, that's a higher low. So even though we're in technically a downtrend, this is like a bull flag right through here. So we're in a downtrend, but it's bigger picture, it's an uptrend. So there's a US dollar index. All right, traders, I want to thank everybody for trading with me today, hanging out in the room. Appreciate that. I hope you all have a wonderful evening. I don't have any NVIDIA calls right now. I just not ready to walk into earnings with those. They should look good. I do have some AMD calls. Okay, so I got some of those, and I got some Intel calls. So got a few of those. All right, so there's SPY. All right, everybody out there in video land, Rumble, YouTube, Facebook, everybody, thank you. Have a beautiful evening. All right, we'll see y'all tomorrow, 8 o'clock. I'm down to 3 monitors. I had 4. We had a snafu yesterday. I don't know what happened, but I don't know if it's a brownout or what happened. But when I turned everything on back on, I had that stinky electronic smell. I don't think it was dust, but it might have been dust. Don't know. So I lost one of my monitors. So, plus I put a new graphics card in. Maybe the graphics card is going bad. I just picked it up. I don't know what it was. But anyways, I'm down to 3 monitors. I had 4, and I couldn't do the market wrap up yesterday. All right, so on top of that, everything was kind of discombobulated. You know, I usually have my screen set up to record over here, and I look at my room over here and everything like that. But everything got a little messed up yesterday, so we're back to 3 screens. 3 screens is good. I got 3 more coming, so we'll see what happens here. All right. So everything worked out pretty good today. Put it all back together, and Humpty Dumpty's on the wall again. All right. So we'll see everybody tomorrow. You own some iBit and some gold like that. All right. Gold's doing good. I bet you the Bitcoin's doing well too. All right, traders, everybody, have a wonderful evening. I will see you all tomorrow at 8 o'clock. Thanks for being here. Have a great night.